compound amount, compound interest. So principal you're depositing 1000, number of years 4 years, 4 years, rate of interest 5% per annum, then compound amount is equivalent to 1000 principal, n is equal 4 years or equal 5% per annum, compound amount is equivalent to p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. So principal 1000, r by 100, 5 by 100 whole power n 4. So 1000 into 1 plus 0.05 whole power 4. So 1000 into 1.05 whole power 4, that is equivalent to 1215. Compound amount 1215. So compound interest is equivalent to compound amount minus principal. Compound amount 1215, principal 1000. So compound interest 215. Concept number 1. Concept number 2. Concept number 2. Amount deposited double itself in year question mark, rate of interest 5% per annum, compounded. So amount deposited is going to double itself in year question mark. Year is question mark here. So rate of interest 5% per annum compounded full. So what is the compound amount formula? Principal into 1 plus r by 100 I 1 plus I whole power n. So compound amount here double itself, which means 2p. Right. So principal is equal to p. I is equal to rate of interest, that is equal to 5 by 100, that is equivalent to 0.05. Then n is equal to number of years question mark. So you substitute here, compound amount is equal to principal into 1 plus I whole power n. Now the amount deposit is going to be double 2p. 2p is equal to p into 1 plus I 0.05 whole power n. N is equal to question mark. So pp will cancel. So 2 is equivalent to 1.05 whole power n. Here you can apply trial and error method, which means you can substitute n is equal 1 to get 2, or n is equal 2, or n is equal 3, or n is equal 4, or n is equal 5 to get 2. By substituting trial and error method, if you substituting n is equal 14, approximately you will be getting here 2. So n is equal to approximately 14.2 years. So 14.2 years the amount deposit is going to be double itself. This is concept number 2. Concept number 3. Difference between simple interest and compound interest at a sum, that is principal, which is put out for 5 years, at 3% was rupees 46.80. 5 years at 3% was 46.80. So sum deposited question mark. Sum means principal. So the question is difference between compound interest and minus simple interest, that is equal to 46.80. Compound interest formula, compound interest is equal to compound amount minus principal. Compound amount p into 1 plus I whole power n minus principal. Here the principal is missing. I is equal to 3%, 3 by 100 whole power n is equal to 5 years minus p. So 1 plus 3 by 100 0.03 whole power 5 minus p. P is equal to 1.03 whole power 5 minus p. So we can simplify here. You can take p common. 1.03 whole power 5 minus 1. So p into 1.1592 minus 1. So 0.1592 p. 0.1592 p. 0.592 p. This is compound interest. 0.592 p. Simple interest equal to p into n into I. Principal, no idea. N is equivalent to 5 years. I is equal to 3 by 100. 3 by 100 is equal to 0.15 p. Simple interest equal to 0.15 p. 0.15 p. Right. So compound interest 0.159 p. Simple interest 0.15 p. So difference between compound interest minus simple interest is equal to 46.80. Compound interest 0.1592 p. Simple interest 0.15 p is equal to 46.80. 0.0092 p, that is equal to 46.80. P is equal to 46.80 by 0.0092. 5086.95.